When writing functions in R, in particular simple functions, we'll often return just a single value at the end of the evaluation in our function. However, there are many situations where we want to return more than one bit of information that cannot just be fitted into a vector. For example, when working with statistical models, there will be a large amount of information that we might want to return, and it all is in different formats. We might have data frames, single values, character strings, etc. So the way to collect together objects of different types is to use a list object and to return this list object at the end of our function. So to illustrate this, we will take a look at a simple function for calculating the volume of a cylinder. So previously we've been working on this function, and the very last line of the function in the function body merely returns the volume. So what we might want to do is to extend this to not just apply the volume at the end of the function, but also to include the height and radius. So our extended function simply changes the last line of the function. So we've gone from volume to a list with three slots: height, radius, and volume. So height and radius are simply the values that were specified by the user in the function, and the volume is the volume that's being calculated. So we can simply run our new function with a couple of values, so 20 units of height and 4 units of radius, and the volume is calculated as previously, but this time we've got three slots corresponding to the different values. So what we can do is, if we wanted to extract the height, we add $height to the end of the function call, and it tells us the height is 20. Or we could have saved an object at the end of the function and extracted it with $height. We similarly use the same approach to extract the radius and the volume itself from the return object.